Hi guys, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Taaskly Invoice. Um so let's get straight into it. You go to invoice.taaskly.site. When you get here, you see the landing page. It's a very simple landing page. You click on create an invoice or get started. Any of these to take you into the invoice field. Once you get here, you can customize the invoice to meet your brand's look and feel. I don't want to use Xcode. I want to use something else. So maybe I want the text of this invoice to look like my taxi logo's color. So I can do that very easily by finding my taxi logo's hash code and just placing it here. And yeah, now the text in this invoice. And maybe I do not want this background. So I can click on color picker or text picker and I can choose a different background. Let me give it something. Yes. Um. Yeah, something like this is quite good. I can choose this, and maybe I want to change the logo. I click on logo. I select the new logo I want to upload. Okay, the width so I 5 is just right. And then I don't really like this font. Maybe I want to use convergence. Okay. So I select convergence as the font I want to use. And yeah, it takes a while, then it reflects convergence as it loaded as the font. Then I can continue. I can change the build from hotbread, my address. I'm building it to maybe it's a company. Let me use taxi and the month as the address. So issued on I can pick today's date as the date that it was issued. I can backdate it basically. And this is due on the 1st of July. Okay, and then I can continue. What did I get from me? What did taxi get from me? Got bread, probably got butter, right? It got like two, and that was like 1,000 each. And then got tea, and I got one of that, and that was like 2,000. Okay, I can delete this and add it back. Card sugar on and 2,000, and I can continue. These are extra details. So if I want to search so I delivery, I can do 2,000 naira for delivery. Maybe I gave him a discount of 1,000 because it was maybe the company I gave the company discount of 1,000, and then I can leave a note. It was nice doing business with you, and I can also add terms and conditions. No refunds. And then when I'm done, I can select. Do I want to download this as an image or as a PDF? For now, I'll download this as a PDF. I'll also download it as an image. So if we go to the download tab and we open it, you open this PDF, you can see the invoice here. Let me just zoom out. So your invoice has been created. This is how it looks. Um, the image. I don't know if you'll be able to see the image. This is the image. So you can't see the image because it's coming. Yeah, the image saves as initial, but basically just you can go and try it out yourself, and you would see the image when you try it out. So yeah, that's basically it. You can download as many invoice, and you can issue to as many people as you want. If you want any other features, let me know. I will be adding a feedback link so that you can drop feedback. Yes, that's all for today. If you have any other question, reach out to me. You have my social media handles. Bye. Till next time.